So this is one of the first of the East German REKO cars to arrive in Lenz 1/45 scale low gauge. Built to their standards, so you've got sprung buffers, you've got the kinematics there, which have a magnetic centering system as well. So that will go round first radius corners, but when it's on the straight it will buffer up completely. A highly detailed underframe and full interior as well. Like all their coaches, it's delivered on DCC address 99, which you can change. On this one, function 0 turns on the main lighting. And now we can actually see the work that's been done inside, so really nicely done. Luggage racks. All seats are individually placed, parts in multicoloured arrangements. Everything is clean and straight on these coaches. Vents on the roof there. And the REKO coaches are shortened coaches. They're rebuilds of older coaches to make them a little bit more modern and to standardise them. So similar to the West German Umbauwagen. Just by comparison of size, it's 1928 express coach. The REKO coaches are a bit shorter, so they are applicable to branch line use. You see them with small engines as well, so they have a great availability on the routes. It's got power pack, which keep it going on dirty tracks. Will shut down if it comes completely off. And it does a slightly spooky thing, because what it's doing is detecting the DCC signal. So if you just hover it above the track, it will come back on again. Just a funny thing, it's just how the Lenz system works. We've got tail lights on functions 3 and 4. You can't have both sets of lights on at once, they're both tail lights on at once, so it mutually excludes the other one. So really finely detailed. They will be free running and go around the tight radius curves as well. And there's quite a lot of steam locos that have been delivered for East Germany that these will go with. And we're looking forward to the East German V100 diesels, which will be ideal for these. I've brought in one of the baggage cars. It's a different design inside. Nice open baggage area. You could populate that quite nicely with boxes and things. I think it's just 4 screws to take the body off as well, so you can get in there and put passengers in if you wish. Just shows how closely they buffer up. It's really neat. There is an Era 3 baggage coming. For some reason the Era 4 one has jumped the queue, and it's a nice time to just display one of the other features. So the digital main lights are fine if they're all on the same address. It just pops the whole train light on. The tail lights are a bit more awkward because of course then they will appear between the coaches. So there is another little solution to that, which is the magnet that's applied. Oops, let's turn that off. Right, let's try that. There we go. So you need both tail lights turned off for it to operate. And there's a magnet switch in there, just about a centimetre in from the end on the roof. So a little yellow magnet supplied in the parts bag, and then there's a selection of brake hoses to put on it, but they're more for display case use, or if you want to remove this NEM coupling you can use them with 3-link couplings if you wish, but of course that will increase the minimum radius, because of course you're more likely to get buffer lock with the 3-link couplings. without the stabilisation of this T-bar. There we are, some nice new coaches. They're not too huge, so a little bit more usable on smaller layouts.